If you want to spy on competitor keywords using SEO platforms, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to uncover what your competitors are ranking for and how you can use that info to boost your own rankings. And stick around till the end, I'll also share an exclusive free trial for one of the best tools to help you do this. So, let's dive right in. First, you're going to need an SEO platform that offers keyword research and competitor analysis features. I've tested several tools out there, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the best options you can use to spy on your competitors' keywords. Start by entering your competitor's website into the SEO platform of choice. Look for the competitor analysis section, and you'll likely see a list of domains or websites that are ranking for similar keywords. These are your competitors. From here, dive deeper into the top pages or keyword analysis sections. This will show you exactly what keywords are driving traffic to your competitor's site. Look at the volume, the difficulty, and any variations of the keywords they're targeting. This gives you a solid list of keywords you can start working into your own content strategy. Now, to take it a step further, look at the keyword gap tool. This feature allows you to compare your website with your competitors. It'll reveal the keywords they're ranking for, but you're not. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest of keyword opportunities. Make sure you pay attention to the low competition keywords that you could rank for quickly. Once you've identified your competitors' keywords, it's time to start using them strategically. Incorporate those keywords into your own content on your blog, landing pages, and product descriptions. Don't overstuff them though. Use them naturally and make sure the content is valuable to your audience. Google cares more about relevance and quality than just keyword quantity. Remember, spying on your competitors isn't about copying what they're doing. It's about understanding their strategy and finding areas where you can do it better. You can also use this data to identify keyword opportunities your competitors haven't tapped into yet. This can give you a competitive edge and help you climb higher in search rankings. The key takeaway here is that using SEO platforms to spy on your competitor keywords is a great way to enhance your SEO strategy. With just a few simple steps: entering a competitor's website, analyzing top pages, and using the keyword gap tool, you can uncover hidden opportunities to rank higher and drive more traffic to your site. Before I go, remember, I've got an exclusive free trial link to the SEO platform I've been showing you today. You can grab it in the description below. This offer is only for viewers of my channel. So, take advantage of it to follow along and start improving your keyword strategy today. To quickly recap, find your competitor's site, check the top pages and keyword gaps, and use that information to boost your own content strategy. With the right tools and a little know-how, spying on competitor keywords is easy and incredibly valuable for your SEO efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial below.